A major change has been made to the new English-Irish Dictionary website, which now allows users to search easily for words and phrases in the Irish language content of the dictionary. However, users must remember that this is an English-Irish dictionary and not an Irish-English dictionary, which means that searching for words in Irish is not as reliable as searching for words in English. Sometimes you will get results that you don't expect or that don't make sense without context, as we can see in the case of Strahan, which means stream. Because results are shown in alphabetical order, sometimes the most common use of a word won't be shown first, which happens when you search for the word seomra, meaning room. We still hope, however, that users will find this new change a valuable and useful resource. Let's take a look at some more entries. If a word that's valid in both languages is searched for, ban or bean for example, you will be given the option of choosing between English and Irish. All you have to do is click on these buttons to move between the two languages. Users must be careful with accents and spelling in Irish. For example, if you search for more but leave out the Sinn Féin, you will be presented with English language spelling suggestions. Also, if you misspell a word, you won't get any results at all. The new search is accent sensitive. Let's take a quick look at briste and briste. If you would like more information about this change, click on the FAQ section at the top of the page. As always, we welcome feedback from our users at asholas@folklore.ie.